Yo. Alova.
Move
Ah, beje dan no dan.
Ah. Move ka ta dan mam.
Ah, ona di na mai.
Ani move ikra debut.
What do you mean, man? What do you mean? What is he trying to say, bro? I don't get anything. What is he trying to say? What do you mean?
Where are you?
I don't get what you're trying to say, man. What do you mean?
Was it that? What is that?
You know.
Me ya uda me bisa wo. No, no,
Don't
sit here, bro.
Hold on. Oba obi say so one of the dynamite. Unya never know the dynamite any chia. Chiaka.
What chiaka? It is here I said say what you want to we pay. Obu cha fun zo tiase.
Amatiase.
Wo tiase.
Old man, you disturbing our peace. You disturbing our peace. What are you saying? What do you mean? What do you want? You disturbing our peace. Why are you trying to do that?
You are disturbing our peace. Although disturbing the peace. Let's go.
Don't come here. Fuck around with that. Next time I'm going to blow your mind with 16 rounds.
Yeah, got it. Me na musu de bia de. Na sata wo go no bo no nyamo. Edu be na fi de ko du.
One time na ampelu time na also one time na ampelu.
Ah, se ampelu da.
No,
I ka be na
ma chi de mu.
No, I ka be na.
So yere sata wale woni ya kalimu. Eni e follow on over. Yo. Stop. Let's go.
No. What does he mean, bro? I don't get anything here. What's going on here?
So what does it mean? So when you go to chile na see so na don't come aba.
So me Janabia. No what? Asam na kai no. Adan tell wo ka tell no. Adan ka tell no. Ha?
Tell him.
Who pay that there boy?
Hello, old man. You disturbing our peace. You disturbing our peace.
No,
we don't do that here. We don't do that in my country. It's not done anywhere. Where they do that at? You can't do that in Chicago. Eh? It's not done like that anywhere. Stop disturbing our peace. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, US. That's where I'm from. So you can't come here, old man, and disturb our peace. Walk around with you anytime with my AK. You got me?
Is that what
I so many amounts who sing to. I will tell you, I can't even help you in the no more close to no. Anyone who's no.
What tongue we are talk life over. Me just go one kwanta over. Don't come here.
Talk life over.
Hey, we work at yeah.
Over.
Now go to who you even go there.
I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say. Don't be throwing your hands over me, man.
Who could me pon because I got you? Who do you ask us? Who you don't go? Who you don't go?
Bro, what does it mean? What's don't call? What does it mean? What's don't call?
What is? Many phone come in and Kebano. Omo fan asomadia and Jaso.
Old man, try to respect yourself.
Oh,
don't come disrespect me, please. What is he trying to say? Mr. Over.
To go from start inside. What has more catch on? I said, when you claim to me now. Now, the week I go, Seno.
Obey to me, say.
Obey to say.
One a woman.
On your show.
One a woman. Obey me more fast. Different with your now the whole. Cassia go do. Ever. To the Cassia go do. So let them come here. I want it. Cassia go do.
One or the chair. Offer. What's the last time? Over the boom. Offer.
Who built Bowman so
over? First time I tell them, so over.
Who know when you want them? What about them? Cassia. Won't pay me being a poor.
Got to life, got to life, offer. Got to life, son. Sana, and I'm
so mammy.
Mammy, what you say?
What you say?
What you say?
Who can phone the wall?
Oh, over.
Hey, Nadia, what you say?
Bro, let's go. Let's leave.
Hey. Maybe I say, pass over, pa, no one says no, but here they are. Say, I a doctor for that town. Ah, don't let us go back to Jan Prayer. Who says that? And America, no. No, who's going to who Jan there? And America, dear, I lost the deal, and I'm even in there. We have to watch my own cross. I go, we will. Milton Yagra. Mimi akura. Na wo de kase kodu. Na hwe. Na do betu achi. Na sa wo wura kase no. Wo wura kase ni.
Oh God.
Ayo. Me da su pass me sia wo. Kase.
Papa.
Wo bu sai.
Papa na de.
Msa wo bu sai.
Oh, ade boni bi esifia.
Anya be makura.
Oh, de papa de.
Won pofo na do bobu dem no. Ko yon firi dem no. Ma catch you say. Bitu emi ni ahode be yade. En kofo be to bonum sa. Wo ka. Ena deben. Ma ka se me fa danu mai.
Oh.
Wo bi am firi kokko mo ba. Me nyi ma ho me.
Ah. Ofa. Boys need a dog your move. Omo talk life no wo you. Talk life.
Ampa, chawon kram jo usubai.
Oh, rather.
Me ka so jo se de to like.
David talk life.
Say yeah, say. A question for confirm good dem way.
They back with a rapper. I don't a producer. Oh, they are teacher no. One a producer. And about no tintin rapper for a chick one. Talk life no more. Your money, Jay-Z money, into the woman and Roberts and some baby out. I know, but
what got a style? No, go.
Oh, how you?
I don't got that Bremai.
Oh, the
I don't got that for an hour.
How do you cool?
How do you cool?
How do you commit?
I am Pabia. Make us so. Cause I tell you, no money. So what do music for what they come home? And there's also me a rapper force, me a powerful. I don't do music.
Offer.
You can't also from what's in the buy.
Offer. When you say, Skaya walking, because this can feel.
I can't see a comparison by you. Oh, I hear you, Miss So Boys now. Something I'm taking a time by.
I said, I
did it.
You know what?
Now they out here. They out here.
Well, be answer.
What you mean by my time? Sam,
I gospel.
But
did that voice in the back? We call you almost a friend of country one. Did something. It's too much.
It's you do, Jana.
Me to did except the music such a fan and yet.
But you, Jano, not have so Jano. And I'm just a single Muslim warfare, Cassano. It's over what you say. Boys never send out 2 minutes. And I just said, one now catch him over. One hour watch a chimney over. Say, boys in the argument.
David offer free cocoa by 7 name. I can't to be on Samia. But I saw
Branty, one corner Miss Away we did. And now we're come for. As the beer, no noble. The beer, no noble. No be obediable call, no bonfire. No for a rubber. And yet, a moment didn't for no. I'm not calling it me there. It was a kind only man. I'm over here.
Shannon boys and
yet. And come at Rafia, you was obeyed that. Who's obeyed that?
Drop to what? I'm not drop to the door.
Mamma was swatting. Mamma was swatting.
What can I say? You what kind of
offer. So say boys in Antuaa. Sikana me border na sabra kokoko mu. Ah so 2 years now say many scout sister or sister one. Many size can be the boss so. O ba ya utwa hwe no. Eno so bi na me sa do go hospital.
Oh.
To 26 can be da. Na mama.
Ya da. Obi po hira. No ya.
Obi po hira.
Ana na tu mi na tu banya. Na mi ya.
Omo so ba che.
Ofa na me ko.
Eto ofa. O po size can mama ya. Me de o mo sika be mo. No ko.
O to ko be ka mi tani. No me pa da so. No omo fo mo chance.
No mo chance.
Wa podam
sa. And where is our so?
Who knew answer? Who knew answer? Crow. Caseco.
Ah,
Caseco, Memoria, Odia,
Magiska, and their hand, the Magiska, what there's from our own. I was at Cashay, Mizano Hospital, Mizan Catch and Gold. Ah, now do 2 foundations, Gramentalica. May for Jimmy Voco. You're 2 foundations. Oh, yes, I got out next house, next room. Oh, no, boys, who's who? What she was in your way, Abua. Maybe probably more. So they don't know what to say. They don't know what to say. What do you say? What are the Paso? Like a member for the Cabocco Paso for Govanam. Never.
Okay, baby girl, just hold on. I'm gonna get right back to you, eh? Just hold on. Okay, my landlord is here, so just hold on. I'm gonna call you back. Sure. fine.
What you say?
I'm fine. How are you?
Madam Professor, I'm in town too.
What's up, landlord? What's up?
I'm good. You good?
Yeah, me, I'm fine.
You good?
Sure.
Okay. Where's your brother? Your brother. The one who speaks P. The one who can speak P.
My nigga.
Where's your brother who speaks P?
You mean Scraps?
Yes, Scraps.
He just went out. He's not around.
Do you know something? My uncle just called me 45 minutes ago. He's claiming you are disturbing him in this house with your music. You are disturbing. He doesn't let him have a rest. So please, I'm just irritating you people right now.
No,
now.
What's your uncle trying to say? We disturbing him? He's the one disturbing us. That's the living, man. That's the life.
That Jimmy,
What do you mean, Jai Jimmy?
I mean, listen to what I'm saying.
Jai Jimmy?
I mean, there, it means.
No, I don't get you. What do you mean, Jai Jimmy?
And you said, Tiasma, I can listen to what I'm saying.
Scraps!
He's the guy can hear. Hey, Scraps.
What is landlord is trying to say something I'm not getting?
Hold on.
Scraps, what to say?
No, yeah.
You see, right now, man, me uncle, and neck, what is a wild bomber. Hey, no, you have a team in the car.
Oh, landlord, I bet my hand and some money. Yet, we say, I was an attack.
You come to us. See, the scraps to screws to the end. Yes, I'm a scraps. Timothy.
Watch out.
Miss Shiro.
That's how much it will Sunday.
Skaya, what the mammy, Miss Ramo, and now so dear, Miss Samo, and then watching ya. Move to them.
What was he saying?
As I make a show.
You're free then.
Move to them. Sasa. What do you mean? What do you mean, Mr. Landlord? Or see the Pia, more bonum, no more tete, more money now. Oh, Landlord, I'm a respectful part. I know as I want to make this with me. As my gachemano, you bet my band and say money. As my gachemano. Oh, Biat, when you bring a swap. Oh, Rastaman Bia, what can it see our Tim Monest house now? Is it or call Monestum and say or call a mopano? Last time I be our Kennedy and see ya, take a CB or Tim Monest room. When you did my silence in the public. Oh, minimity. Only a cast, someone of a cast of Semino, who was asking I, the blame one who call what take. I will come back to Ramo. Timothy, Miss Ramo, Sicano, Miana Majay, as me outside the Madame, a dino, and I know Champy. I mean, and see, come and call me Pierre, and me whom you want. Now, you know, as I have a cow. More pa, or no any pa, to be Siramo, 1 penny to 1 penny no one. When you know, I'm imagine balance. Balancing so will be here. To the wall.
I just heard some balance. What is he trying to say?
No,
you just have to explain everything to me, man. We all own this apartment, bro. We all own it, so you have to explain things to me.
Catch
balance. What are you guys talking about?
Jablo for seminal, me and no team. Or say, a dino, or say dino. You free day. And I'm going to come here and make a be off where I say, get me free day in my blood, sick candidate. Emma,
you have to speak English. I've been in Ghana for some time. My key is not clear.
I yesterday you. Yesterday you. Some other rappers. We keep find your own studio.
We keep playing music each and every day. You got me?
Na munim some money no kwa be ba out to plan na ngira be dina me na so me ofa na so o e menfo nti ne papa ne papa mu no mo pa mu ntu fura na mo ne mo twere kwa na mo ba e ma out because of the night tia kom o e menfo
kuma Jesus ka no
o wa Jesus ka e na be ka Ghana ha aka kumase ya e ba ka tafura sei e be wa
tell him everything.
What am I catch now?
You have to let him know everything.
One out to na me catch
bring him McMillie over to Ghana
so be say unno na e ba out a mesiraw Messra muntu frifia every time me na me ofa no wo betime atia me o e bay bonsam he na me call so ba ye nyina be chemi ne he nyina o ka ho bi o we bi moja wanom na obi ase no etime mo mpene to mpene no a mesra mo afa mesra.
Do you know me?
Afa ti
I say do you know me?
Afa me ni mo pa
I'm still do you know me?
Afa me ni mo pa
I'm before
me country mo betu
who can't you betu say ha mo kwan to order me be say mo kwan to order mo kwan say mo order no ka cham say me be bay bonsam me be bay bonsam wa bema so si me bay for that me
obey me
o me yaw
last time no team offer when your man smash
that your church no ntimi nyane hwe wo bay bonsam na confession no ka adwo ka bada You're born in Chawas, Jimmy Unti.
You are the old man that came here last night, right? No, that's you. You are the same old man that came here. You have to be careful.
Listen to me.
Before I blow you some gunshot over your head. No, you have to stop coming right here every day.
No,
listen.
I said,
stop coming here to our compound just to disturb us. Stop doing that.
Hey.
If you want to find my case, I will just give you a case.
What do you
don't do that over the state. We don't do that. If you want to find my case, I'll just give you a case. You just stand there and wait for me. I'm coming.
Yes,
where you are at? Where you are? You just vanished or disappeared. You can't come over to my compound and disturb anyhow. It's not done anywhere in the state. Next time I'm going to show you.